Meantime, Narendra Modi meets his Canadian counterpart Justin Trudeau 5 days after the Canadian PM landed in India with his family. Both the nations held bilateral talks and signed 6 agreements, including trade and investment, education, defense, and security and tourism. Delivering a joint statement, PM Modi asserted that it was important for the two countries to work together and fight terrorism and extremism. PM Modi also made a veiled attack on Khalistan sympathizers, saying that India and Canada wouldn't tolerate those who challenge the unity and integrity of the two countries and misuse religion to promote separatism. The Canadian PM stressed on the need to expand India-Canada trade ties and said India is a natural partner and a trusted friend. Trudeau was given a ceremonial reception at the Rashtrapati Bhavan this morning, and that was by the President and the Prime Minister. And he also paid homage to Mahatma Gandhi and Rajghat and held talks with the External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj.
फ्रेंड्स, कनाडा के साथ अपने स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप को आगे बढ़ाने को भारत बहुत अधिक महत्व देता है। हमारे संबंध लोकतंत्र, बहुलवाद, कानून की सर्वोच्चता और आपसी संपर्क पर आधारित है। सबसे पहले हम अपने सुरक्षा सहयोग को सुदृढ़ करने पर सहमत हुए हैं। आतंकवाद और उग्रवाद भारत और कनाडा जैसे लोकतांत्रिक बहुलवादी समाजों के लिए खतरा है। इन ताकतों का मुकाबला करने के लिए हमारा साथ आना महत्वपूर्ण है।
Prime Minister Modi, it is such a pleasure and a privilege to finally be with you here in India, and I look forward to continued partnership for the years to come. I'm glad to say that we just wrapped up productive meetings during which we discussed issues of mutual interest in the future of the Canada-India partnership. As you saw from the Prime Minister's words, many topics were on the agenda this morning.
Let's get in Srinjoy Chaudhary, who joins in with more details. Srinjoy, talk to us about the ties between Modi and Trudeau and that all-important meet.
Yes, you just heard Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaking and Prime Minister Justin Trudeau speaking. And it's almost as if they came from different planets. Prime Minister Modi made it very clear that terrorism was an issue, that violence was an issue, and that violent extremism was an issue. He did not mention the word Khalistan. He did not mention Khalistani terrorists. He did not speak about the Sikh terrorists who are still hiding in Canada. But it was a clear point, and everyone there understood what Prime Minister Modi was talking about. He felt that the NSAs of two countries, the Indian NSA Ajit Doval and his Canadian counterpart, would sit together and sort this problem out. On the other hand, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau spoke about wealth creation, and wealth creation should be in a certain way, he said. He said that everyone should be the beneficiary of wealth creation, not just the wealthiest people. Now that's clearly speaking to his own constituents in Canada. In a way, perhaps Prime Minister Modi was speaking to his own people, constituents in India. But Prime Minister Trudeau's statements were about job creation, were about wealth creation, were about social subjects, not about things that relate to national security, whether it's the Khalistan, whether it's the Kanishka blast that downed the aircraft, or other similar activities.